Come here, babies. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on, guys? It's Saturday morning. Lena went down to the DMV Friday, and got tag. So we can actually drive the car now. It's got a 90-day moving permit. We bought a bunch of maintenance parts for it, like a fuel filter and air filter, spark plugs. It was like $80 in total for everything, which isn't too bad. Top that. Okay, and 1, 2, 3 lift. Oh wow. We're going down to my job at the dealership. We're going to go detail the crap out of the motor. This is gonna be its first drive. I got the new battery hooked up. We got oil and a filter and a fuel filter. So we're gonna just be putting those on, putting a little bit of seafoam in it, and we're gonna go get it smogged, and it should be good to go. Get it put in our name and get the pink slip, and yeah. So let's get going. All right. All right, I'm gonna let you guys hear it on startup. Just adjust the seat real quick. Okay. Steering wheel's kind of toast. It moves a lot, so that'll have to be addressed later because it's kind of a safety issue, but in the meantime this will do. 3, 2, 1, please start. Like a champ. A little rough. Yeah, no sputter or anything. Little hesitant. Maybe just has to warm up. We'll see. Just excited.
There she goes. It looks like there was like a trans or oil leak or something. It's wet right here.
It's a rear main seal.
Wow, that's a leak. Ay, ay, ay.
It's okay.
Wow.
There's years of dirt. Somebody get me off of this
Grief.
grief. Here it comes.
Oh shit.
Well,
Did you get the
plug? No.
Do you think it went down?
No. It's somewhere in there. We're good. You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hi.
Stop. Turning nicer. Turning to a nicer red though. So we're actually going to do one more thing before I go, and that is to take out the seats right here. I think they were 14 mil. Kind of get down in there and clean up all the little other areas, and then that'll be it. So you just got 2 in the back over here, and then you gotta pull the seat forward, obviously, or else you can't even reach it. And that reveals the other 2.
Nothing underneath? Oh my god, Mardi Gras beads! Whoever owned this.
And $1.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
What? That's mold. Alright, let's see what's under mine.
It's not that bad.
Hit it with the foam.
It's turtle wax interior.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
AutoZone special. That's good enough.
Now it's good. Yeah, detailing wire brush, because I find that these teeth are just, they're plastic, so they're pretty abrasive. That's if you're getting like gum out or something, like of a seat. I want to start on my side now and use the vacuum, and by the time I'm done with that, she'll be done with the shampoo. So let's finish this. Before it gets too dark, I just want to show you guys what we've gotten to so far. Here it is. It's not the greatest, but it came out pretty nice. Hey guys, it's like a week later maybe. I'm at work right now. I'm editing the footage because it's slow. It's Saturday. Yeah, that was the Miata. That's my first video. Let me know how I did in the comments down below. Give it a like. There's plenty more about the Miata. Actually on Monday, so 2 days, we got the CX Racing radiator, full aluminum, with the slim fans and a bunch of other stuff going into the car. Eventually it'll be on, we'll do coilovers, wheels, everything. For the BRZ, I'm gonna do a video on that pretty soon. I think that'll actually be the next video coming up. The car did pass smog. Wasn't able to get footage of it. The guy didn't want me recording, so I was kind of just sit back and watch it, but it passed with flying colors, which is awesome. We also installed a new top. I started recording it. We were in over our heads. It was so difficult to put on. I think it took a total of 15 hours. I will show footage of that in the next video so you guys can see that. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time.